Hello everyone, lovely to see you again. So glad to have you back with me in the kitchen again. I'm going to do a lovely little sweet treat, economical of course. I do hope everyone had a lovely Easter and you're all well and safe. And thank you to all my subscribers, you're all fabulous. Now, I'm going to make a lovely treat that's easy to make in advance, of course. You know, I love everything easy and economical, of course. Now, we made these at Christmas and my husband loves them. I only got one or two, but that's okay. But full disclosure, this recipe uses Oreo biscuits and I don't like Oreo biscuits. I know I can hear people, but I love these. These are great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this recipe with you today and we'll get on with it. So here we have 36 Oreo biscuits, 1 pack of Philadelphia cream cheese. We're ready to go. Now place the biscuits into your food processor and we'll just pulse until it's a fine crumb. Oh, that's looking good. And now we just add the cream cheese that I've actually cut up into little pieces, just to make it a little bit easier. Oh, perfect. Go. All done. Just using a scoop, a little ice cream scoop, and to keep the balls uniform in size, this is how I'm going to just measure them out. And that way, if you're using the mix to gift, they all look very similar. I've got 20 little bites here, which now I'm going to pop in the fridge for about minimum of half an hour. But you can do this up to 3 days before you actually dip them in chocolate or chocolate powder or what have you. So I'll be wanting these today, or actually my husband will be wanting these later. So I'm going to pop them in the fridge now to firm up while I wash up and do a few things. And then I'll come back when we can decorate them. Hello, back again. I've got to decorate the chocolate balls now. So I've got about 225 grams of this beautiful sweet chocolate buttons. These beautiful chocolate buttons. Now, normally I'd use a double boiler, but I can't be bothered this afternoon. I'm going to melt it in the microwave. And it's got about a 1/4 teaspoon of a neutral vegetable oil in here as well. And I'm going to melt it in increments of 20 to 30 seconds and stirring them in between. So I'll be back when this is melted. Nice and runny now, beautiful. So what I'm going to do is dip the balls into the chocolate one at a time, and then transfer them onto another prepared tray. I'm just going to put them directly into the fridge. Now, the beauty of this is you can go wild. You can use sprinkles, you can use chopped nuts, or you can use anything you would like as a decoration. And then you just pop it back in the fridge and it's ready whenever you want it. So these beautiful little Oreo balls or truffles. Will be on hand whenever you want them. So let's try that now. Pop that in there. Use a fork. Oh, look at that. Sit it. Oh, look, just lovely. So one at a time. Oh, just delicious. And again, something you can do well ahead of time and get the kids involved as well. The older kids, of course. Look at that. How fabulous. So I'll be back and I'll show you what they turn out like. Okay. So I've got them all ready. And as a final flourish, I've got some white chocolate melts. And I'm just going to very simply back and forth like so. Really effective, really easy. Make them look a little bit more special, and they don't have to be perfect. You can just as easily do this with a Ziploc bag with a little hole cut in the corner, but you know. This looks just as effective as well. Pop them in the fridge. You can have a cup of tea. And all done. Beautiful little Oreo ball truffles. Easy, inexpensive, most importantly, absolutely delicious, and can keep in the fridge. You can freeze them too, but I don't think they'll last you that long. So once again, I'd like to say thank you for coming, spending some time with me, and I will see you all very, very shortly